tree farm. They will be though by Christmas. Today's adventure brings us to the Collettsville Cup House that we are trying to find in Collettsville, North Carolina on Old Johns River Road.
Yep.
Hope we find it. This is so much fun.
I still little building cups
I
all
think
over
we're probably just going to pull up in somebody's driveway. This is so much fun.
I think I find the cup house right now. Look at that huge boulder.
Yeah, I see that. It's pretty cool.
Slip right over that.
Bring your own cup at the Cup House. This one came from our local Tender Hearts thrift store. It's a beautiful picture of a city in Germany that we found at the thrift store. So we're going to put it
Put it right there.
somewhere on the fence.
Perfect. And it fills with water too.
On this episode of Cups with L, let's find your
Cups with L. Okay, I found my favorite.
Cups with L. Here we go.
Donuts.
Donuts. That's neat.
That's the cup house.
Find your favorite cup. No Clemson cups yet, but we'll find one. So this cabin is privately owned by Doris and Avery Sisk, and so probably over 2 decades ago now, they started finding thrift. Ooh, the mosquitoes are bad. They found thrift store a box of 15 mugs, and just for fun, they put it on the side of their house, and now their collection has grown to 20,000 cups. So it's known as the Cup House.
9:20.
Has a login book.
There's been several people here today.
That's so
There's
cool.
hats. So many cups.
Niagara Falls, we've been there.
9:20. Right before the Carter fan, Rockville, South Carolina.
That's us. Ooh, I like this one. This reminds me of like my grandma's house. I like really wherever these chairs came from. I like them. I'm good. Yes, I love you very, very much.
You need to set your work.
No Clemson mugs, but there's a tiger one, so I'll take it. Look at this gorgeous view across the street from the Cup House.